Hi, in this video, we are going to see how to find the measure of an angle in a circle. Okay, let's go over the question. In the diagram below, the measure of arc PQS is 65 degree and the measure of arc RPS is 40 degree and the measure of arc QSR is 20 degree. And we have to find the measure of arc PSQ. Okay, here we have three angle measures. That is the measure of angle PQS is 65 degree and the measure of angle RPS is 40 degree. It is RPS is 40 degree and the measure of angle QSR is 20 degree. Okay, we have to find the measure of angle PSQ. Okay, I assume the measure of angle PSQ is X. So now my target is to find the value of X. Okay, here we have two angle measures on the circle, Q and R. Okay, so the angle measure Q here on the circle is subtended by the arc PS. And the angle measure R on the circle is subtended by the same arc PS. So the two angle measures on the circle Q and R are subtended by the same arc PS. If two angles on the circle are subtended by the same arc, then those two angle measures must be equal. So the measure of angle R and measure of angle Q must be equal. The reason is, so both the angle measures Q and R on the circle subtended by the same arc PS. So that's why they are equal. Already we know the measure of angle Q, which is 65 degree. So we can plug in this value 65 degree for measure of angle Q. Then we get measure of angle R is equal to 65 degree. Okay, now let's consider the triangle PRS. So if we consider the triangle PRS, we have three interior angles. One is 40 degree, 65 degree, and the third one is X plus 20 degree. So in any triangle, the three interior angles will add up to 180 degree. So in triangle PRS, measure of angle P plus measure of angle R plus measure of angle S. When we add these three interior angles, they must add up to 180 degree. We know that the measure of angle P is 40 degree and measure of angle R is 65 degree and measure of angle S is X plus 20 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now in this equation, we have to solve for X. That is, we have to find the value of X. Okay, let's combine the like terms on the left side. We can combine 40, 65 and 20. So when I combine 40 and 65, it will be 105. And 105 plus 20 will be 125. So 125 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree. So to solve for X, I have to subtract 125 degree from both sides. So this one will cancel out. I get X here. When I subtract 125 degree from 180 degree, the answer will be 55 degree. So the value of X is 55 degree. So X stands for the measure of arc PSQ. So the measure of arc PSQ is 55 degree. The correct answer choice is option C. I think this video helps you to understand how to find the measure of an angle in a circle. Thank you.